All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I know I said no more mods, but that's still true. We got a new used lip here for my girl's car. So we got this beautiful used lip for this beautiful used car. I'm gonna have my assistant Jacques it up. And we'll get started.
No.
Yes, you can do that. Why are you dressed like Urkel?
Because my shirt is a bit short. Wait, we're not. Oh, we're just adding it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
Where does it go?
It goes up here. Okay. That's it. And then we just gotta bolt it in. Okay, that's good. Put the screwdriver right in the middle there and push it in.
It's not really working.
I did for other ones. You're just weak, bro. Oh, don't mind me. Go ahead.
Yeah, this thing isn't going.
Alright, we'll just hammer it later. Oh, I need the little pin. Wait, no, it's not even in yet. No, they're not. Pin me. Can you see anything? I for sure can't see nothing. Just need to put a self-tapper right there. All good to go. Got the drill adapter to the 3/8 to quarter drive adapter to the 8mm to the self-tapper. Hey, you gonna do it? So, you there?
Yeah.
Alright, release slow. Honestly, it's gonna hit the lip, but go ahead.
Let's go.
Come on. I need a new assistant. Hiring at $0 an hour. I can go a little faster for that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh god, it's gonna get stuck.
Uh-oh.
Alright, check it up. Check it up. Check it up. Check it up. Alright, we need to put a piece of wood. We'll be right back. Alright, take two.
Is it moving?
Alright, go all the way now.
Oh.
Lower. Keep going.
Alright.
Yeah, keep going. Just the wood moved a bit.
A bit.
A lot of it. Pro tip, use one piece of wood, not two.
It's not.
It's
not
bending.
centered.
Take number 3.
Maybe.
All right, we pulled up here with the boys. Check out the lip. Looks pretty good.